Hello everyone, I am Hanisanta Sankit. I am from SAS Institute of Management. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation for organizational behavior. My topic is basic question, what is your opinion on concept of work from home? Would you have promote the same assuming you have a own company in which you can give a option to employ? So let's see that. My opinion is the daily media report and the nascent research literature on COVID-19 speculate on the long-term consequence of the coronavirus situation. This could change the way we think about the method we employ in our working lives, especially with regard to home office and digital collaboration. Several large companies, both internationally and nationally, have announced that they plan to continue the option of working from home for anyone who also wishes after the pandemic. The argument of this include the greater flexibility in organizing and family life situation seems to significantly reduce stress for many people. Time that was previously used to commuting or traveling between meetings can now be used for the other thing, which in turn may lead to higher productivity. One common argument is that home office situation provide fewer distraction can make us more efficient. This work from home concept is not applicable for fresher or who's having a not a skill without having a particular course, or you are a fresher, your various organization having lot of skill and to working this organization, you are a fresher, you are a no past experience to work this organization, you are not applicable for this job from work from home concept. This is my perspective. So you have a lot of skill, so you have a like a virtual assistant course like a hotel checking mail sales etc. Your business management skills to handle the client and solving the various problems. Canva designing. Today everyone having a Canva skill. Canva means a graphic design skill like a SolidWorks, ANSYS, programming data etc. Photoshop also the Canva designing skill. Content writing. Lot of people having a skill to write the content. You have given a task of 100 word to write, so the international market or a national market also pay to word in a you have a, earn a profit. Social media marketing, how to use Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You have already having a knowledge of our people, so uh, so use this knowledge and to earn a make a profit. Many YouTubers having a create a channel and earn a money like a Google ad agency. These are a way must option to earn a profit in COVID-19 situation. So, what is the advantages of the employee and what is the advantages of company? So, first of all, advantages of employee. Travel time to and from the office will be saved. They can spend more time with the family. This is beneficial for many, especially for parents or your small children. Even in a modern time, women are expected to care of home and children. With this responsibility, several women are forced to leave their job. The location will not be barrier. Employee can get a job even if the office is located in another city. If they want to get know their office and colleges better, they can attend the office at a regular interval, like once a week. Next is the advantages of companies. Less expenses or office maintenance can hire talented people even they reside the another city. So getting the knowledge and this is the experience to growth our organization. Employee may not ask for a much leave because of COVID-19 situation. They not have they are work in home only for sickness or illness. You have to organization work is fail, but it's applicable. Next is conclusion. The coronavirus pandemic has given some employees that may not have otherwise considered working from home an option to staff a particular insight into how it affects their business and employee. It has enabled employee to have a first-hand experience of the advantages and disadvantages of home working. The experience can be very beneficial in feeding into the future direction of employee. Working practical and moving up forward. A shift toward home working doesn't mean employee have to work only at home. Often splitting time between home and the workplace is most a productive solution and you may not home worker to attend the meetings to keep them fully involved and informed. My perspective is I have a maintenance work or a maintenance workshop. You are not a handle to work from home for employee. I am a owner of the company. I not suggest to work from home in situation. Um, so conclusion of work from home is a typically describe a situation where someone doesn't work in office either day or more regularly shift. They are working remote. Thank you.